Check the price for yourself. At checkout, you will add a special coupon code that I will provide you in this video and hit apply, and you will get a $36 discount. How are you going to do it? You will click the video link in my description, and after clicking that link, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will get the best working hosting coupon code. You will click on the copy button, and it will redirect you to the official website. Here you will click on View Plan, and here you can see different kinds of plans like Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud. For a demo, let me show you with the complete plan. I click on Choose Plan. You can select any plan, whichever one you want to go for, and at the checkout, just enter a coupon code and enter. You will get a 20% discount, and you will save a lot of money when using this coupon code. Okay, let's talk about the other plans. Right now, they are providing offers on Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud startup plans. First, the Premium plan is 75% off at $4.19 per month, ideal for running up to 3 websites with 20 gigabytes of SSD storage. Next, the Unlimited plan is 80% off at $5.29 per month, offering unlimited websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, and daily backups. Finally, the Cloud Startup plan is 71% off at $11.19 per month, providing 100 gigabytes of storage and dedicated power for high-traffic sites.